Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss about 6th October current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one. Here in recent news we have seen an article regarding keto diet. One actress died due to this diet, that is keto diet. Here this diet will mainly infect the kidneys. First of all, we will see the what is there in this diet. Here the ketogenic diet is one of the most popular weight loss diets in the world over. Here if you see that right side, I have given a pyramid. In the first topmost pyramid, that is carbohydrates 5%, after that proteins 20%, after that final one, bottom one, that is fats, it consists of 75%, that is total 100%, that is keto diet food pyramid. Here if you see that it is a high fat, moderate protein and low carbohydrates that helps in weight loss by achieving ketosis. Here in this pyramid it is showing that high fats and moderate proteins, that is 20%, and low carbohydrates, that is 5% only, that will helps in a weight loss by achieving the ketosis. Ketosis is a metabolic state where the liver burns the body fat and provides fuel for the body, as there is a limited access to the glucose. That's why due to that, using that keto diet we can reduce our weight. There is a recent news regarding one actress, that is Mukherjee. She also died due to this kidney problem, that is she is following this keto diet. That's why we have to know about this keto diet. Next one, supersonic missile assisted release of torpedo, that is we will call it as a SMART. Here supersonic missile assisted release of torpedo SMART has been successfully flight tested from Wheeler Island of the coast of Odisha. We have seen recent missiles also tested successfully from the coast of Odisha only. Here this launch and demonstration is significant in establishing the anti-submarine warfare capabilities. That's why India is moving towards the anti-submarine warfare capabilities. In that part, it is the one of the supersonic missile assisted release of torpedoes. Next one, education for deaf children. Here there is a historic memorandum of understanding will be signed on October 6th 2020 between Indian Sign Language Research and Trading Center, that is ISLRTC, Indian Sign Language Research and Training Center, and NCRT to make education materials accessible for deaf children in their preferred format of communication. Here deaf means they are unable to hear. That's why if you use signs, they can understand the language, and or else they can understand the subject also. That's why now an historic memorandum of understanding between ISLRTC and NCRT to make the education materials accessible for deaf children in their preferred format of communication. Here this will also ensure educational standardization of Indian Sign Language as mandated in the new education policy, that is 2020. That's why it is the part of new education policy 2020. Next one, Quad countries. In recent news we came across oftenly regarding Quad countries. What are the Quad countries? Here in these Quad countries, they consist of India, United States, Japan and Australia. In these Quad countries, foreign ministers of all four Quad countries, India, United States, Japan, Australia, will meet in the Japanese capital Tokyo on October 6th 2020. These foreign ministers will discuss the post COVID 19 international order and the need for coordinated response to the various challenges emerging from the pandemic. That is regarding Quad countries. With this, we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.